Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So today I created this look with all these different purples. I got purple on my eyes, I got purple on the lips, and purple is my favorite color. So of course I like the way this look came out. If you guys would like to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with priming my face using the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Now I'm going to prime my eyes with my LA Girl Concealer. I don't know where you guys are at, but in Maryland, it's literally been raining every single day. Like, I feel like I'm in Seattle. Like, I don't understand why it keeps raining. And I'm just gonna blend this out with this brush. You guys, don't even mind my brows because they hate me today. Like, I literally took my brows off like 5 times, and I said, you know what, I don't even care anymore. I get to a point where I just don't even care anymore. This one, I don't know what it's doing. This one, she's always a good brow, but this brow is like the problem child. I definitely use way too much concealer. I'm just having an overall terrible day. I went to Popeyes. I got a 2-piece dinner, and I said I wanted 2 wings. They gave me 1 wing and a big ass breast. I hate big ass pieces of chicken. I also asked for an extra side order of red beans and rice. They didn't put that in the bag, so I'm just having a terrible day. I'm going to be using the ItsMyRayeRaye palette with BH Cosmetics. I really do love this palette. Like, it's just so pretty. Look at it. So pretty. So using this Morphe M330 brush, looks like this. I'm going to be taking the shade, what am I going to do? I'm going to take the shade Friday, which is this light, which is this purple shade right here. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Back and forth. So next I'm going to use this BMX 430 crease brush. And I'm going to take this shade Connie, which is this darker purple, and put that all in my crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this shade also on the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to tap it on. Whenever you're trying to do your crease, it helps if you tilt your head back, and then you can just put it right in the socket, like right where you can feel your eyeball. Going back to the first brush that we used for the first shadow, I'm going to go back into that shade Friday. I'm just going to soften out where that purple is so that it's nice transition. Okay, so I know that I look crazy as hell, but I'm just gonna keep on going. Next, I'm going to use this purple shade here. It's in the shade Passion. And I'm taking this flat brush. This actually came in a brush set that I got from Target so many years ago. So there's no number on it, but it's just a flat brush. So you can use any flat brush. And then I'm going to spray my brush. I'm going to put that on, I'm going to show you, I'm going to put this on my lid. Alright, so now that I have the eyes done, I'm going to move on to the face. I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation in the shade Cocoa. The only reason why I'm not using my Maybelline is because when I went to Mexico, I got a little bit darker. So that shade looks a little bit too light for me right now. Using this flat brush from Morphe, my handle broke off. This is just like a flat foundation brush. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in. This foundation may be a little bit too dark for me, but that's okay because you can use some concealer to lighten it up just a little bit. And for concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep. Now I'm going to blend this out with my damp beauty sponge. And to set my concealer, I'm going to be taking this Ben Nye Banana Powder. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my lower lash. And I'm going to take this M222 brush. It's just like a nice pencil brush. And I'm going to go back in the shade Connie, which is the dark purple. And I'm going to place that under my lower lash line. And because I want this look to be like very smoked out, I'm also going to bring it down just a little bit. This brush, the Morphe N506, which is a smaller blending brush. And I'm taking that first shade that we used Friday, and I'm going to sweep that right underneath this dark purple. I'm going to go ahead and dust off this powder. I'm using this brush from Estetica. It's the P12 brush. I like this brush for wiping off my powder because as you can see, it's just nice and big and fluffy, and it has like this pointed tip. Just gonna sweep that away. And I'm gonna contour with this Pure Sculptor palette. And I'm gonna be taking the lighter shade right here to contour. And I'm using this Morphe, it's like an angle brush. It came in a set, so it doesn't have a number. This palette smells so good. The contour palette smells really good. I do want to add like a little inner corner highlight. So I'm going to take this Morphe M169 brush. I'm going to take this shade Fairy Tale, and I'm going to put this right in my inner corner, just to open up the eye a little bit. Alright, so moving on, I'm going to be taking this mascara from Tarte. I really like this mascara because of the wand. It's really good for your bottom lashes. It's like a nice small wand. I'm going to do a small coat because of course I'm wearing falsies. So now I'm going to go back with that mascara just to blend it in my lash with the false lashes. Alright, so now the next step I'm going to do is my lips. And of course, I have no idea what I want to do. I don't know if I should do this matte purple or this gloss. I don't know which one. I don't know which one. I'm gonna do the gloss. So this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Potion. It's a really, really dark purple gloss. Like, look at that. It looks black almost on camera. I am purpled out. I still have not gone to the store to buy me another setting spray, so unfortunately I have to use this Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. And I can just feel the blotches. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.